Emission of electrons. Metals have free electrons. Metals have free electrons. So this is the reason the free electrons are responsible for their conductivity. These free electrons are responsible for conductivity. It's a conductivity. And however, these free electrons cannot normally escape from the metal surface. Free electrons normally cannot escape from metal surface. Why? What is the reason? So if the free electron wants to jump, for example, if there is a conductor, this conductor has free electrons, electron has negative charge. If this free electron wants to jump out, there is possibility of formation of positive ion. So positive ions are formed. Then due to these positive ions, there will be attraction. Okay, so there will be attraction between ion and electron. So it will be attraction between ions and electrons. So it cannot jump itself from the surface of metal. So it will be what finally inside of the metal only. So we need some amount of energy. Minimum amount of energy is required to remove an electron from metal is called work function. It is a work function. So work function is amount of energy is needed to eject the electrons, or so to remove the electrons from the surface of metal is called work function. Work function is generally denoted by, it's a W naught, or sometimes we can represent phi naught. Okay, so it is measured in what units? The units are electron volts, which is electron volt. 1 electron volt is equals to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 joule. So 1 electron volt is equals to 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 joule. Okay, so this is about work function. And so work function is the least and maximum work functions for the metal. So we are giving this. Work function is maximum. This is maximum for what? Platinum. It's a platinum. So work function of platinum is equals to 5.65 electron volts. Work function is minimum. Okay, so for the minimum for cesium, so work function for cesium W Cs is equals to 2.14 electron volt.